Arrived at Skinning Grove with Emma. Just going to spend a night or two here. It's a really good spot. Over there, so right on the edge of the sea. So camp there for tonight, and then tomorrow go down into Whitby. Emma! As soon as we pulled up near, she knew exactly where she was. She started shivering, she was that excited. So yeah, I'll show you around this next bit around here. This is like a hidden beach. Not a lot of people know about this area for camper vanning. It's free as well. You can park here for the night, don't cost a penny. But just wait until you see this round here. They're all sand dunes over there. This lovely little beach here, this little cove. So it's on the Cleveland Way. Is this? So it's a lovely walk as well over the top of the cliff faces. Go that way, carry right onto Northumberland, and go down here, Whitby, Scarborough, etc. Look at that sky.